1065 The Beat.
Out to the J Street. Let's go.
Music Nation is here.
Music Nation, the biggest online video contest to hit the entire web.
For the Streets choreography, this is hip hop dancing, strictly featuring Melanie, Joya, Blake, Dana, Alana, DeAndre Clark. For the Streets choreography. For the Streets choreography. It's for the streets.
My name is DeAndre Clark. I'm 25 years old and I am the artistic director of For the Streets choreography.
It's for the streets.
Hollywood and Big, Richmond's After Party Specialist presents
Glitz and Glam Go for After Party.
starring
Glitz and Glam Go for After Party.
another
Street Rap Promotions. Militant Minds.
sponsored by Cool, Be True, 1065 The Beat, DTLRlive.com.
Douglas Wall from Petersbury High School, 6'4", senior.
On the 15th of May.
Winning the dunk contest.
My name is Elsie Cofield, and I am now, I guess, the first generation. And I am 82 years old in March.
The first chapter in the 10th verse says, show me where there is a new bed. You think you know the way to get money? They do it back then too. You had your pyramid scheme, I'm guaranteed they had one too.
Are the agents.
What's up, Agent Javon?
Agent Malika, age 11. Skills, computers.
What's going on, Agent Lou? And you have my mission for today?
Agent Javon Biggs, age 9. Skills, machine.
I'm glad you asked it. I got just the thing. Follow me.
The agents.
You've either written and or performed with just about everybody in the business. I mean, what, Jay-Z, Teddy Riley, Timbaland, Next, Missy Elliott, Ja Rule. You know, I read a quote from Missy that said, Lil Mo has the skills from God that would make any sinner become saved. Now, those are big words. What do you think she meant by that?
Cause I got the anointing all in my voice. I grew up in church, so I hit right here.
You got the wrong one. I got an L for the clips with a scope and an elbow when y'all close. Put the clip in the gun, pull the whip to the front. It's time to ride out. Spot the tip of the bluff, I'm gonna get crunk. We getting high now.
Heavy hitter.
It's a respect thing. I think it has a lot to do with, you know, the history of it and people seeing people they haven't seen in a long time. But the biggest thing is they've watched me go from being a DJ at the rec center for the kids to being on the radio 7 days a week, you know, to being on Rap City and DJing in cities like New York and stuff like that.
And here's what else
Tonight is going down, my big birthday bash, you know. That's pretty much what made me what I am, doing birthday parties.
My name is Leah Battle. I'm Lonnie's wife, and I'm just very proud of his success. He's a loving father, a wonderful husband.
Okay.
He made me think I was gonna get a record deal. That was the real story.
You got to get what you want.
Life short and we all getting old. Mama gon' whip you, bro. That ain't the way no good girl's supposed to